axle assembly. Then moving on to the centralized conveyor. Dedicated assembly lines deploy advanced production technologies and tools to meet the standard and procedures mandated by Massey Ferguson. Each process undergoes PLC-based testing. All chassis parts then come together on chassis-built assembly line, while going through different control checkpoints. On reaching the paint shop, it is first washed and pre-treated for better paint adhesion and desired finish. Care is taken to mask all parts which do not require paint. Millt has an advanced sheet metal paint setup. Here, components are first pre-treated with degreasing, rinsing, and phosphating for rust resistance, high-quality finish, adhesion, and glossiness. Special trolleys and bins have been designed for careful handling of painted parts to avoid any damage or scratches. They are thoroughly inspected for a flawless finish. It is on final assembly line that all remaining ancillaries are added, and the tractor begins to take shape. Each component being critical from an aesthetic point of view as of function, expert care goes into their handling. Produced to the highest quality, the assembled tractor finally rolls down from assembly line ready for years of hard work. But to prove itself the best in reliability and durability, it has to go through rigorous quality tests. Roller test is conducted to verify all functional parameters for engine idling, PTO function, diff lock function, instrument panel gauges function, gears